All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol IDEX, Ideanomics Inc. After a bearish run, this has leveled out and brought itself back up over the resistance level. Very, very interesting. But before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button for me to let me know you watched it, you found it informative, and that way you can notify me that you watched it and it was helpful. You can also comment down below if you would like to share any information in regards to this specific stock, and that allows other viewers and investors to go ahead and participate and engage in conversation with you as well. You guys are more than welcome to share feedback with each other, and also just it's more information the better for all of us. That's the goal here. I want us to grow and learn every step of the way. For all my spectators that are just viewing, your chance to start participating is now. You can hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified on my daily videos. You'll get notifications when I post, and that way you can be up to date and you won't miss out on the insight I always have to share. So let's jump in on this one. The first thing is bullish run, reached a new high within the day of 140, dropped down, and then leveled out. Very, very interesting. So let's move this to their new locations. And this was very, very significant yesterday. And how it leveled out, it had its direction already coming back up. Bears tried to appear, and the bulls came hefty. But it only lasted for so long. They didn't stay for too long. I don't know if it was fear or people just taking profits, right? So let's go ahead and zoom in on this one. So I can't tell you that the Bears are winning or the Bulls are winning right now. That would do an injustice to you guys, because honestly, the 50-day moving average is right there. It's not that far. It's literally 128. The closing price was 129 after market. I mean, it's a 1 cent difference. Bulls have no more control than the Bears at this point. And how it ended was with the Bears anyway. Now that's significant because if the Bears tomorrow early in the day come hefty and strong, they can start to tear this one down. So let's go ahead and look at the points that we want to pay close attention to. First thing is the resistance level. If this resistance level can be broken through 132, used as support, then the Bulls can start to focus on their next short-term resistance level, and that would be 134. Ideally, where the rejection happened is the real turnaround point here. It's not even being above the 50-day moving average right now. The 50-day moving average is so close to the closing price that even breaking through this resistance level and using as support and working its way towards 134 doesn't make a big significant change because of how hard this drop was and how 140 is the true rejection point of all of this that happened here. Because all of this here is all tug of war. The real rejection point was 140. So it has to pass that and then maintain itself obviously above the 50-day moving average. And then it'll be able to test and break through new resistance levels. So that's the key indicator of how much more bullish this can be in the upcoming days. So 132 is the short term, more zoomed in and focused resistance level that needs to be broken and used then as support to break through new resistance levels. And on the other side of things, the support level is 125. 125 will be the point where the Bulls want to maintain themselves above, right? Because if 125 is broken through or getting even close to it and it stays close in this area, it's already below the 50-day moving average, turning this chart into a bearish chart. So the bears can try to tear through the 50-day moving average and just keep it here floating. And then the next following day, the bears will try to destroy the chart. Now, if it doesn't work out that way, the Bears will do everything they can actually to not just level it out and stay here. Actually, their goal is to just break through this support level and bring it down into bearish territory. Now, once it's in bearish territory, the bears have gained control and they're moving it away from the 50-day moving average. But something to pay close attention to is how does it behave throughout the day once it's at this point? Because if there is a turnaround, that means that the bulls are starting to load up on stocks, and what they're trying to do is, yeah, it fell down in this area. Yeah, it's in bearish territory and it is further away from the 50-day moving average, but we're going to turn this one around and the bulls can bring it back up. So that's something to pay close attention to. So this is going to be very interesting how it plays out tomorrow. And as always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button for me to let me know you watched this video. And share this with your friends and community. And thank you for watching.